Okay, this is a video on the Bobcat. Look at how nice that thing is. What year is this?
17.
17. A S650, 74 horsepower, brand new front bucket on it. Tires are the hard, but not hard rubber. So no flats. So what do you think of that? Nice, very nice. Thing looks like brand new. Let's see what else we can look at here. You want to go ahead and get in there, Justin, and fire it up and show us what it'll do. Well, that's a nice unit. Anyway, a 17. It's a pretty late model. Has a front auxiliary hydraulics right there. 1,000 hours, I think Justin said, is on it. Little speed action there. Reverse action. And there you have it. I think that's it, right? Is that about it?
Yeah.
Everything
simple.
operates perfectly. There's no leaks.
Good to go.
Pretty straight unit. So anyway, come on down preview day. That'll be the 4th. Which is next Friday. Well, you don't know what day it is here that we're doing this, but anyway, next Friday, it's the 4th, and you can come on down between 9 and 4 and preview. Anyway, have a great day, huh? Bye-bye.